Of course, you know, at least would touch sleeves and ruin them. He said KDS 300, like a pretty modern mod, and it would have been modded again. Seriously. Cab's nice at least. They run nice. That's something. It's Chinese. Yeah, original. Well, not original, the cab's original. So it's a mod, not a replacement. Oh, these are fast. They're definitely faster than they used to be. Or cancel. Oh yeah, stop set nearest 4. Oh yeah. Good chime. Oh great, left. Don't get why KDS 300s need to be modded already, but whatever. Unless mechanically they were still old inside, but not sure.